Welcome back to another Mermaid Monday where we talk about everything mermaid. So today we are doing a do-it-yourself mermaid bra tutorial. What you will need for this tutorial is one bralette. I got $5 at KMART. Silicone attachments. I got these for $75 plus shipping from Made by a Mermaid. Some silicone accessories that I also got from Made by a Mermaid. And some Sil Epoxy. This is from Smooth On. It is a silicone adhesive. So I'm going to pull my hair back. All right. So first thing, we are going to put a piece of cardboard in between. And now we are going to place the starfish where we want them onto the shirt. So right here is where the sew lines are. You can't really see them, but you can feel them. Alright, so I have my little silicone pieces where I would like them. I'm now going to open this. Make sure you're in a very well ventilated area when using Sil Epoxy, E6000, anything that you use. So now we're going to put some right on here. Now we are going to do the same thing to this side. And now we're going to do the little centerpiece. So I'm going to glue the bottom piece down first. Press that down, and now I'm going to add the little starfish on top. I'm gonna put the cap back on. So this will take roughly about 24 hours for this to cure and to hold everything down. If you have pins, I would pin them down. If not, then you can do what I am about to do and place a very large book right on top. So I could not find a heavy enough book, but I did find a game of Jenga. So we are going to place cardboard right on top, and then we're going to place our game right here. And we're going to come back to this in about 24 hours my time, about 5 seconds for your time. All right, so it has been over 24 hours because we had a very busy day. It's probably been closer to like 48 hours. It's been almost 2 days since I put this on. So We're gonna remove the Jenga piece, lift the cardboard, and check, and it looks like mostly everything is pretty sealed on. So we're gonna lift this from the cardboard underneath. Check everything. All right, I'm gonna lift this up, take out the cardboard. And here we have my brand new mermaid top. I am going to have to go back under with the glue and just glue these final pieces down. As you can see, like right in here, the little starfish tail isn't completely glued down. There's some edges right here that I didn't get. So I'm going to glue down the remaining, but that is the basics on how you do it yourself mermaid top. Now this can be applied to other things. So let's say you bought shells at a store, or you make your own silicone accessories, or you just buy like netting and jewels and such. Silopoxy is more for adhering silicone onto anything else. So silopoxy is more for silicone based things. If you're just making a top that you want waterproof with no silicone, you can use E6000. So you can use almost anything to make a top. You can use sequins, you can use silicone things, you can use jewels and beads. But again, it's best to sew those down if you can and then glue it down. Personally, I like silicone because the pieces never really fall off. I maybe had a couple of things that have fallen off on a silicone top, but it was the jewels in the silicone. I've never actually had silicone fall off of another piece of silicone. So that's why I like these, especially because I swim in the ocean a lot, so I want something that stays on. If you're swimming in like pools or something, then you don't really have to worry about it as much, or just on land. You can use hot glue if you are making a top. However, that is definitely not waterproof, so I wouldn't recommend that for swimming. So now I'm going to try this bad boy on, and ta-da! So I did realize that I put this one a little off center. I don't know if that's noticeable or not. I don't really think it's too bad. So here's the final product. It is an open back. So I feel like this will stay on when swimming. It's full coverage. This is going to be really good whenever I'm like swimming around because it connects like right in the back. So it shouldn't like flop open too much when swimming. And it's like a netty material, so the water can go right through it. Yeah, I'm excited. So I'm just gonna finish up gluing these little loose ends, and then my top will be ready for performances. So that's all I have for you today. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that bell notification so you will be notified for new uploads coming every single Mermaid Monday. If you haven't already, go ahead and give me a follow on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all of that fun stuff. I post free mermaid resources in all of those. I update my social medias daily and my blog posts once a week. If you use this video to be a guide for your mermaid top, go ahead and let me know how it turns out in the comments below. And whenever it is completed, go ahead and snap a picture, tag me on Instagram, and I will share it to my story. So that is all I have for you today. I will see you in the next video. Mermaid kisses and starfish wishes.